Hey Teresa, thanks for your invite and I really appreciate your effort. Recently I have noticed a post on Upwork that you are looking for an appointment setter for your commercial cleaning business. And based on the criteria, based on the qualification, I believe I'm the person who can help you into this job. So if I talk about my experience, I have experience working with commercial cleaning provider and as well as I have worked with restoration company where in Tampa, Florida, where I have generated the leads, I call them, book appointment into their calendar and effectively generate a report so that we can save a lot of our time. If I talk about the skill set which apart from other, it would be effectively reach decision maker because when we are doing a cold call for our cleaning company, we are not alone. Different types of business also doing cold call for with and speaking to them. So we have to make sure their guard is down. We have to make sure we are taking less amount of time from them, and we have to make sure that they're interested what we offer. We have to make sure we have to engage with them effectively. We have to understand their tone and understand their situation, and based on the situation we have to provide engaging and interactive offer. Also, if I talk about my other experience, I have experience using SMS. I have experience using email follow-up, which is multi-channel approach, which is one of the most renowned way to which is known as a multi-channel approach, which is also the renowned way to engage with our audience. This is the best way to engage and build up a long-term repetitive customer. So if you want to learn more how I can help you into your team and bring you some repetitive customer for your business, feel free to reach out to me and I will assist you in terms of generating leads, in terms of creating a script. And also I have noticed on your website that the service you are offering is not clear, and the message is not clear. So there is something I can help you to engage, edit your website and craft your offering. So if you want to learn more how I can help you into your team, feel free to reach out to me, and I'm happy to assist you and help your team to grow for in long term. Okay, I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will also attach some of relevant information on attachment. Feel free to see it, and I will see you on the meeting. Thanks for your time. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.